That depressing sensation when your savings decline, the worry about how you'll bounce back from a poor investment. Everybody has been there. Losing money hurts, and it's acceptable to feel that way. However, you won't be able to move on if you remain in that pain. We'll go over a straightforward, step-by-step strategy in this video to help you move past this setback and confidently rebuild your finances. Let's get started. We must change the way we think before we take any financial action. It's easy to feel like a failure right now. However, you are not your bank account. Reframing this loss is the first step. Consider it a single lesson rather than a final failure. It's only data. Even though it's challenging, this experience is now your personal finance instructor. It teaches you what doesn't work so you can figure out what does. Everything that comes after this change is built upon it. Let's move on to the useful actions. This is your plan of action. Step 1 is the triage and emotional timeout. Pressing pause is the first step. Your emotions are running high right now, which makes it the riskiest moment to make a choice. Permit yourself to step away from the issue for a full day or two. Don't check your accounts obsessively or try to fix it all at once. Simply take a breath. This emotional timeout is the best first step you can take. It's not a way to avoid the issue. It allows you to see the situation clearly after the initial panic subsides. Step 2 is the neutral post-mortem. It's time for a cool, collected review after you've taken a break. This has nothing to do with guilt or self-blame. Rather, ask yourself this straightforward question: what is the one lesson here? Perhaps you need to learn more about an investment before making a commitment, or perhaps you took on too much risk. Think of this as a detective, searching for hints rather than a judge imposing a sentence. Discovering this one lesson transforms your monetary loss into a worthwhile experience that will help you make better decisions in the future. Step 3 is the financial reboot. It's time for a financial makeover. Here's where you regain control with a single constructive step. Avoid attempting to fix everything at once. To restore your stability, just concentrate on one action you can take at this moment. This could entail adjusting your weekly budget or moving a small sum into your savings. Your brain is reminded that you are still in control by this one action. It restores your self-esteem and begins constructing a more robust and prudent financial base for your future. A financial loss is a setback, not the end of your story, so keep that in mind. You are capable of recovering. You now know when to stop, what to learn, and how to start the process of rebuilding. Now is the first step on your path to a more secure financial future. Please share this guide if it was helpful. For more easy ways to take charge of your finances, subscribe to Monetive and hit the like button to help others find this video. I'm here to support you as you embark on your financial recovery, which begins right now.